Why should you submit your research to us? Hello, it's Bastian, co-founder of In&Sight, co-founder of In&Sight and the general director of In&Vertebrates. Today, I want to show you that In&Sight and In&Vertebrates are worth giving it a try to showcase your research. First and foremost, we are all about transparency and accessibility. We believe that science should be available to everyone, regardless of their background or resources. When you submit your research to us, you become part of a movement that's tearing down barriers and making scientific knowledge truly inclusive. But that's not all. Our values run deep. We are passionate about reducing biases in the publishing world. We care about your research and its impact. So we're creating an environment where you can showcase all your scientific outputs with pride. And let's not forget about our open peer review system. We are turning the tables on the traditional model: post-publication reviews, constructive discussion, and transparent interactions. Your research won't be buried in a dark corner. Instead, it will thrive in a community that values collaboration, diversity of thoughts, and the pursuit of scientific excellence. Not yet convinced? Well, I'm curious to know what's preventing you from publishing your research with us.